A race to get Uganda's maize to the regional markets. Uganda has cut a deal with Kenya's cereal board to supply over 600,000 tons of maize. Kenya is Uganda's biggest maize export market in the region, but most of the trade has been informal.
This arrangement is to help the farmers or the traders in a way that now we've got ready market. Before, it was just speculating.
A ton of maize grain will now sell at $225 in the Kenyan market. Ugandan maize exporters say they are satisfied with that price. In this warehouse are hundreds of tons of maize ready for export to Kenya. The corn has been graded and it's passed the quality test from the Bureau of Standards. Uganda produces close to 4 million tons of maize annually. However, very little is consumed locally. 80% is exported as grain to regional markets. But most of the maize traded informally is not graded by the Bureau of Standards and is therefore poor quality. Therefore, the prices offered for such maize is low.
The big pack is traded informally. Now, those driving 20 trucks, 4 trucks to Rwanda, Sudan, where Kenyan buyers coming to the villages and buying, Rwandans are buying. So those are the ones who distort. And I think government here is tight time it should come in. And that makes it even very difficult to get the rate data. But at the end of the day, the country loses. That should be foreign exchange.
Last year, Uganda's maize export to Kenya declined due to the uncertainty of the election period. Traders in Uganda were scared of exporting their stocks to Kenya for fear of post-election violence. Maize farmers also suffered losses from last year's armyworm attack, which badly affected crops. But now more Ugandan maize is expected to pour into the Kenyan market with a deal sealed. Isabel Nakirya, CGTN, Kampala, Uganda.